Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for IO USDT trading pair on Binance with my customer Cursor. Let's dive in. First of all guys, congrats everybody who didn't skip the post, because the main plan I posted exactly on the next day after listing on Binance, IO price targets, and on this candle I mark all levels, and all levels absolutely relevant. Don't skip the post, and people write in the comments that we don't have enough data for analysis. What you can analyze if you got only two candles. We need more data. We need to analyze the fundamental. Guys, to understand the algorithm, you don't need to analyze the fundamental. In roadmap or the partnership and the posts in Twitter, they can post whatever they want. But the market maker drive the price to the main targets, with news or without news, because it's algorithmic trades. I already explained to you an example on 1 second time frame. So this is a 1 second time frame. Do you think the people, the real retails, traded every single second someone press buy, sell, whole year, 24/7? No, it doesn't work like this one. So it's just algorithmic trades. So every single candle, this one, it's 1 second with orders. And imagine now the all retails, and for Bitcoin especially also, and all exchanges, and for all trading pairs. So now at 1 second, nobody can even push the price higher than $1. There is not enough liquidity, or so. Why we trade in the range? So guys, just read more about algorithmic trades. So the same story on bigger time frames. So the same levels and the same targets here. And this is why the fee works. If we determine the levels correct, it can be the really helpful tool. Of course, it's not necessary, so we will hit till penny. But we work with possibilities, and this is the levels for accumulation. You can accumulate even now, for example, but my target is still relevant. Maybe I will buy IO, but of course, I'm not like this calls from Polkadot. This one today I made a post. So here's how the influencer made money. So this is a list of influencer, and the Polkadot pay them over than 20K for a few posts about a Polkadot. Of course, they always will shield you buy the dip, every single time, no matter what, how low we dump, they always get money from paid promo, not from trades. That's why, guys, maybe I will buy IO, but I'm more waiting the Omni in my zone of interest. This is zone of interest for IO. It's remind you, it's $2.11, $1.63. It's not necessary, so we will drop to this price targets. But if we will, it's going to be the good entry. Where to fix profit if we will drop to this level. So from this level, it can be like here. This zone, 27 block, $4.90, $5.27 is okay zone for fixation. Profit, next step, it's all-time high, 300%. Would be good, of course, to see the Omni around here. Not Omni, sorry, IO. Here, 63 cents and 93. So in average, it could be like 550 and 700. So we can open the charts of WorldCoin and take a look how it's playing out. So this is zone of interest. And yes, the people who stuck it here, they screaming in the comments, no, we can't dump so low because we should pump to $10, $100. It's confirmed. No, guys, it doesn't work like this one. So this guy's now dump it to 51%. Now the people who scream it, we can't dump lower because we already dump at 51%. I have a bad news for you, because we can dump even from this current price 25% easily, or even 41. So just be careful with your expectations. This is not a fraud. This is not some bad news for this token. It's just an algorithm. And after this move, sooner or later, guys, anyway, we will see the pump. It's just a matter of time, you know. So if you always want to accumulate IO as much as possible, just mark your levels and start accumulate step by step, even using DCA strategy. But I recommend you start using DCA strategy or from your personal zone of interest. So if you're waiting after listing here, $2.82, and it's your zone of interest, zone, I mean some level. So it can be this level, for example. If it's your zone of interest personal, you can accumulate now. But I recommend you start use DCA strategy from first touch, like this one. 1, 2, $1.53. So your average entry can be like $1.55. Then safety trade. If in average your entry, let's say $1.50, right? So at $3 here, it's $1.50. This one at $3, you can out at withdraw initial deposit. Safety trade. Let's take a look with my customer said what whales do now on the local time frames. What is good? And one more confirmation. So sooner or later, IO will pump when the whales stop accumulate their position. They need time for accumulation. So here, this is not a distribution zone. It's accumulation on the 12 time frame. On the daily, we are just in the middle. So it would be good to see that drop, hard drop to accumulation zone here. And it can be like, I guess, $2.08 or even lower. Then it would be good to form the divergence on ADZ. So something like this one, for example, on 12 time frame, and something like this one on the chart, for example, is going to be the perfect scenario, right, for IO. And now we just at the bottom on direction. So guys, just up to your own risk where to accumulate at what levels. If some coin not drop to this any of these levels, I'm skip this coin because I can't just gamble randomly. I'm not a super influencer who got a 20K per post about a Polkadot. Market mood was still in euphoria on 12 time frame, even on 12 time frame. 4-hour time frame. This is yes, it's like capitulation, but it's 4-hour time frame, guys. So yes, we can see the local bounces like this one. So here we drop from euphoria, drop to capitulation. We get a bounce 15%. Then capitulation again, we get a bounce like 24%. Capitulation again, bounce like 5%. So now we can see one more bounce, but we build the order flow and the higher time frame, strongest signal. Take a look at the money power here. What is good? Yes, we're going down, but I showed you the bullish signals. So it's not a bearish, it's not something bad. We need time for accumulation. So here, money inflow. Everything more than okay for IO. I think. Of course, invalidation of this idea if we dump lower than the listing price. So we should dump under 6 cents. But I don't think so. We'll dump so low. That's why here. This is money inflow on 12 time frame. On a daily time frame, yes, we at the bottom, but without money inflow. So I would like to see the money inflow. So let's add alert. This one. I would like to see the money inflow on daily. Got it. Take a look on trade on. Daily, no data, 12-hour time frame. No signals, 4-hour time frame. Yes, it's for intraday, buy, bounce 24%, sell. No new signal to buy. All right, got it. Take a look, take profit. Take profit indicator here. I showed you even in the first video why we can drop to these levels here. Buy line on 4-hour time frame at this current moment, it's $2.34. Fundamental value of this coin, it's $1.73. So pretty simple. Take profit, $4.65. Exit line, $5.25. So guys, if you would like to trade with this custom indicator set, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.